Everyone, Michelle Fixit here today. We are going to be changing out the trim on a 2006 Chevy Trailblazer. This is the exterior trim, so if you guys look over here, I'm gonna mess it up. We're also going to be doing a window video, but not right this second. So if you look over here, as I damage stuff, the trim is missing. And so I had to procure more trim, and I hope this one works. It's a little messed it up right there. And so we're gonna try to put this trim on this door so that this Trailblazer is happy again. So I can get you guys a little bit closer. I think it's going to be easier to do it with the window down. So I have the keys. We're gonna crank it up and roll the window down. Alright, roll it down. I think a new fuel filter is in the future for this Trailblazer because I did not like that startup. Alright, let's get our trim. Our window is now rolled down. We're going to stick this portion of it right here into this trim piece. Get the line of the side while we're doing this. So you're just wiggling. Get you guys strapped down a smidge. You guys are on cam. So wiggling right here and kind of shoving in at the same time. So that line is there. And then we're just going to push all of this down. Try to line up our pieces in the process. Which actually, for this one, is a little bit too far out. So when you're looking at it, if it had plastic pieces in it, and then you still have plastic pieces right there, we're going to take these plastic pieces out. Because otherwise it's not going to fit. And you guys get videos on the fly with me, so I just went to a junkyard and I got this one. I might have to. Better to have a flathead. Try to get this piece out of here. Because otherwise it's not going to match up with this one. This one's not broken. This one is broken. So I'm going to pause you guys and get my a flathead. Alright, so I've got a flathead. And gently just pry it out of there. Like so. Alright. We're going to tuck this back in. And then just smush all these pieces back together like so. And then we're going to roll up the window, and that should be it. Look at that. Now it's, oh, you guys already been looking. Look at that. Now it's fixed. See? And now we don't have to worry about water getting in our door when it rains. All right, so you guys like and subscribe. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.